Stop saying I am fine. Yes, if you are still using I am fine, then it's time to upgrade yourself. You can use I am doing well. I am doing well. Next, you can say I am great. Thanks for asking. I am great. Thanks for asking. Next, you can also say can't complain. Can't complain. You can also use pretty good. Yes, pretty good. If you want to use something else, then I have been better will be best for you. I have been better. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on our videos. See you in our next video.